Rain against the window, your picture in my hands. I still hear the way you laughed through all the noise we had. I thought maybe time would heal you, maybe love would make you stay. Maybe one more summer evening could have carried us away. Now the garden's quiet and the house still smells like rain. Funny how the smallest memories are the ones that always stay. I don't hate you, I just hate the way it went. How life can take a gentle soul and slowly start to bend under all the anger. There was someone scared to lose, and I think you spent your whole life trying not to come undone. I remember learning bicycles, you running next to me, letting go before I noticed, still afraid I'd never leave. Maybe we were both just hurting in ways we couldn't name. Two people looking for some love, but missing it the same. Now the walls are finally painted after months of dust and wires, and there's still a conversation I keep having in my mind. I forgive you more than words could ever say, and I hope somewhere you found peace far beyond the weight. So if you can hear me now, somewhere softer than this world, just know your daughter still remembers every good thing that you were. Rain against the window, morning turning blue, and after everything, a part of me still looks for you.